Okay, so this is about the difference between a page break and a section break. So in a document, I'm just going to make this a bit smaller so you can see what I'm doing. Again, remember, oh my goodness me, remember I'm on a Mac, not on a Microsoft environment, so it looks a little bit different. Okay, so if I'm going to put a page break in, you can shift and enter, and that just does it automatically. Or you can do insert and you can do page break. So again, the insert menu and a page break. So you can do it either way. So shift and enter, or the other way. Now, doing a page break, if you do a page break, sorry, I'm just getting some text. If we go down here and we put a page break in, you can see that it's just a normal page break. If I go down to here and then I do layout and I go orientation and do landscape, you can see it's changed both pages, right? Sometimes we don't want to do that. Sometimes we want to have one page on the other one, and one page landscape and one page portrait. The other thing is if I put a header up here, you'll see that the header is there, but it's also on the second page. All right, that's because I've got that page break in there. It will be consistent all the way through. Now, sometimes we don't want to do that. Sometimes we want to have a different header on the second page. And how we do this is we get rid of that page break and we do layout and we do breaks, and then we go down to this area called section breaks. You can see here there are different things that we can do here. Even an on page is obviously where you're making a book and things like that. It can get very complicated. You can also do page breaks in relation to a column, but I'm not going to talk about that here. Feel free to play. If you want to play, play away. Section breaks, we're going to do a next page section break. And now you can see here that it looks different. All right, it actually tells you that it's a section break. Now that means if I can come down here and I can go to orientation and I do landscape, you can see that this page is now landscape and this page is now portrait. So I've made them different. Better than that, I can actually double click in here and you can see here it says same as previous. It actually tells me down here that it's same as previous. All right, I can change that and I can come up to my menu. So when I go into the header menu comes up automatically. See how it says link to previous here? You just click on that and now it's delinked. And I can say hello everyone here, and now you can see that header says hello everyone and this header still says header is here. This is the use of section breaks versus over page breaks. It enables you to do different things on the pages, which is sometimes quite useful. So that's a quick introduction for section breaks and page breaks.